Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Surfer SEO to optimize content. Begin by logging into your Surfer SEO account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Content Editor and select it. Click on Create New Content. You will see a prompt to enter your target keyword. Type in the primary keyword you wish to optimize for. After entering the keyword, click on Create Content. Surfer SEO will generate a detailed content outline for you. Review the outline and note the suggested headings and subheadings. Next, check the content score on the right side of the editor. Aim for a score of at least 70 to improve your chances of ranking well. Now, proceed to write your content directly within the editor. As you write, pay attention to the recommended word count. Incorporate the suggested keywords and phrases provided by Surfer SEO. Utilize the SERP Analyzer tool for additional insights. Open the SERP Analyzer from the Tools menu. Input your target keyword into the SERP Analyzer. Analyze the top ranking pages and note their structure and content. Make adjustments to your content based on the findings from the SERP Analyzer. Once your content is complete, use the Optimization Score feature. This feature displays how well your content aligns with best practices. Make final adjustments to enhance your score. Use tools like keyword density analysis to refine your choices. After finalizing your content, consider using audit to assess SEO performance. Review any suggestions provided by the audit for further improvements. Finally, export your content by clicking on the Export button. Save it in your preferred format and prepare for publication. Now you have a fully optimized piece using Surfer SEO for enhanced SERP features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.